During a recent event in China, Oneplus unveiled the first official teaser for the eagerly anticipated OnePlus 11. As per the currently available information, following are the expected specs of the device. A punch hole for the front camera, a 6.7-inch QHD Plus AMOLED LTPO screen with a variable refresh rate of 120 Hz might be seen on the device. Before we go further, please do like the video and subscribe to our channel to help us reach more viewers. It is quite well known that the gadget would have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU paired with up to 256 GB of internal storage and up to 16 GB of RAM. The device will be powered by a 5000 mAh battery that can be quickly charged with 100 watts of Super VOC charging. With a 50-megapixel Sony IMX890 primary camera, a 48-megapixel IMX581 ultra-wide sensor, and a 32-megapixel IMX709 telephoto sensor with 2x zoom capabilities, the device has a triple-back camera configuration. The device will ship with Oxygen OS 13, and there are rumors it might be the first device to get 4 major Android updates and security updates for next 5 years. That's all for today. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more such tech updates.